Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie package. Stock number 28665T. Gorgeous truck. Love the new body style. Now, this is a full crew cab, 4x4. It's billet silver in color. Of course, being a Laramie, you've got all kinds of goodies on it. You've got front parking assist. It's got the level 1 package on it, equipment package, which gives you the blind spot monitoring, rear parking assist, etc. Blind cross path detection. This truck does come equipped with 18-inch painted aluminum wheels. Got the chrome tip mirrors here. Now this one has the 5.7 Hemi in it, 8-speed automatic transmission. Beautiful black leather interior, partial suede. You got Laramie stitched in the back of the seat there. Of course, you can see there's buckets. I love the big console. You got the 8.4 touchscreen radio here with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors, power pedals, memory seats, power folding exterior mirrors, of course fog lamps, power driver's seat. This new body style Ram has so much more room in these full crew cabs. Storage bins underneath the floor mat. Power sliding window. Rear backup camera. Chrome tipped exhaust. Tow package. Of course, I said your rear parking assist sensors are on it. This one also has a tailgate release on the remote. Let's that tailgate drop with just a push of a button. Again, it is a 4x4. Gorgeous truck. Give you a power passenger seat as well. 2019 Ram 1500 full crew cab 4x4 Laramie here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.